everyone, this is Ansika Pandey from class 9. So today I want to talk about an important topic that is truly important for me, our school environment and facilities. If I talk about my school environment, it is wow good. What makes me special here? The people, the teachers. They are not only teachers, they are the role moderators and also friends for us. And if we talk about facilities, the facilities of libraries as well as labs is wow good. And in classes, in all classes, usually digital smart boards are present. They make learning and growing interactive and fun way. And environment, if we talk about Sankat Mochan environment, teachers are the wow also good, and the students always like to live in a discipline, and teacher always work like a helping hand. If there is any issue, they will always stand behind you and they will make a proper comfortable zone for you. That is the thing I like too much here. And facilities, we have chemistry lab, bio lab and science and physics lab. We go there and we learn many things in the library. In computer lab, we learn about Excel, SN and many courses that we learning after the 12 we are learning here in schools. These are the things that makes our school too much special. And environment is wow good. Parents are sending their children in school and they have no worries about it. My student will learn manner or not. In this school you will live in a good environment and you will learn your English school skills as well as a good manners. That's all. Thank you.
From age standards, today I am going to tell you about the teachers of my school. The teachers of my school are very helpful and kind. They teach us every concept very in a wow method. And if I talk about, they not only teach us from the book, they teach us about manner, discipline and competitive exam. And if I talk about the wonderful teachers of my school who teach in my class, Mr. Ankit sir teaches us English, and he teaches us English very politely and friendly. And if a student is not responding any question, he tells that concept many times. And if the math is taught by Ansbir sir. Ansbir sir is very intelligent teacher. He teaches us math with the tricks, and due to him, my class students are getting interest in math. And if I talk about Ansbir sir, so his teacher, he can solve all the sum very easily and our doubts. And if you talk about our science teacher, Mr. Usman sir, and he teaches the science like biology, chemistry, physics and about human being. And he is very good teacher because he teaches about competitive exams. And if I talk about Usman sir, he teaches us from experiments and with the help of figures. And Hindi is taught by Sunil sir. He tells us wonderful stories and poems and tell the moral of the world, and he is very good teacher of Hindi. And if you talk about our spoken teacher, Mr. Akash sir, due to him I am here and I am speaking English. And Akash is very good teacher of English spoken because he is a good speaker and he is also English trainer. And if you talk about my SST teacher, Mr. Ritik sir is a very good teacher of SST like geography, civics and history. When he teach in the class, then we think that we are exploring the world. And in last I want to say, teachers are like a candle which burn themselves to make our future light. That's all. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Devav from class 8th B. Today I am here to talk about my teachers, and my teacher is very good, and I am studying in Sankat Mochan Group of Institution. If I come in class 6, I take admission in this school, and I didn't able to speak English, but when I passed 1 year very in difficulty, and in class 7th I able to speak English, and this credit goes to Akash sir. And Akash sir teach us very well, and there are many teachers who teach us very well and very politely, like Ankit Mishra sir. Ankit Mishra sir is my class teacher, and he teaches us English very well. And my math teacher is Ansbir sir. Ansbir sir is a very good teacher, and he teaches math with very short and he teaches us also competitive exam questions also. And my third teacher is Usman sir. He teaches us science like biology, chemistry, physics, and he also teaches us for competitive exam, and teaches us very well, and he is number one teacher of science in our campus. And now Hariom sir is a teacher of computer. He teaches us very well computer, and he have more knowledge about computer like artificial intelligence and other thing. And Sunil sir teaches us Hindi, Sanskrit and Hindi grammar. He teaches us very well. In if he teach one time, then no and everything is clear. And the six teachers are Sarvan sir and Akash sir. Sarvan sir teaches IIT Maths of competitive. It is competitive exam for competitive exam like IIT Maths and Olympiad. And Akash sir teaches us spoken and tell how to speak English, how to write English, and how to be in discipline. And seventh teacher is Ritik sir. Ritik sir is teaches SST like geography, physics, geography, history, civics, and he teaches us very well. And he also teaches many things from outside for our general knowledge. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's truly honorable to stand in front of you and share my views. My name is Anshika Singh and I am from Second Muslim Group of Institutions from class 8. Today, I am present in front of all of you to tell about our smart class. Okay, first of all, what is smart class? Smart class is a place where blackboard, whiteboard, chalk and markers are not present. There is just a smart board or projectors which we use to teach the students. By using smart boards, we can learn maths, subjects, Hindi, Sanskrit and many other things. Because where we get the experiments, video, animation videos and everything which makes us understand nicely. You know, it saves the time of teachers and students both, and it pay off the money of the parents that they are paying to the students. And also, a scientific research say that it's important for the students to remember the things by watching the videos and by learning it from the stories and video it. You know, in Uttar Pradesh, 18,000 schools contains the smart boards and smart TVs, and we are one of them. It enables the students imagination systems and also teach the students how to perform very well. I am very, very thankful of my teachers that they are providing me this kind of technologies. You know, standard 9, 10, 11, 12 contain this smart board in their class, but the students who are in junior, they have a common class, smart class. And you know, that is important for every student. We get 7 days, 7 subjects in the smart class. I am very, very thankful of my teachers for providing me this smart class. Thank you all. This was Anshika.
Hello everyone, this is Miss Srikriti, a student of Sankat Mochan Academy. So today I am present here to represent a speech on my school. So first of all I am telling you my school name. My school name is Sankat Mochan Academy. My school is divided into 2 branches, that is CBSE and UP board. If we talk, I study in CBSE board, and the principal of my principal name is Mrs. Jyoti ma'am, and the manager name is Mr. Rahul Maurya, and the founder of this school is Surendra Pratap sir, and the president of this school is Mrs. Aruna ma'am. So there are many facilities provided by the school like labs, smart classes and SPMS and all. I want to explain you about SPMS. So if I talk about SPMS, the Student Performance Management System, it is very important for student life, and it should be in every school. And I think it is designed to track and manage a student performance system. If we talk about the benefits of SPMS, there are many benefits of SPMS, like enhance, improve student learning system, what they are learning, and also enhance parents-teacher communication. If we talk about the features, there are many features. Student learning, like firstly learning management system and student management system. And importance of SPMS are very, like we get information more, and overall I think it is very valuable for the student life. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So, hello everyone, this is me, Arpita Sharma, and today we are gathered here for the speech competition, and I have selected my topic to speak about the technology of my school. It's a smart class and the computer lab. So, firstly, I will tell what is smart class. A smart class are the classroom in which we learn with the technology of computers, tablets, and big boards. Big boards means you can say them smart boards. So, they are the way to grow with the generation and learn technologies. In my school, smart boards are provided from class 9 to 12 with the technology of big boards, big smart boards. And it's, as you know, that we are humans, and for humans, they understand the pictorial and visual form more. Means like you are teaching them charts. So if it is written somewhere, so they will not understand correctly. But you will show it and represent it, so students can study easily and they can understand easily. That's why it is also very useful. It is also very useful for the computer subject. You know that in computer subject we need the practical, and in smart boards we can do the practicals. Like computer teachers can teach their, means if they want to tell any tab or title bar ribbon where they are present, so they can represent them easily. So that's why it can be important for the smart board, can be important for the computer subject. In vacant period, like some school give the vacant period, so in vacant period we can read the e-books and do etc things. Now second technology of my school is computer lab. Computer lab, as you study computer you need practical, so for the practical we need the computers. On computers we can do easily practical, so it is computer lab is very good. And so that's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. This is Shrishti in the front of you all, again going to give a speech on a wonderful topic, that's labs in my school. You know, it's very interesting place in our school that helps a student to learn the things physically, practically, and most of the things. So basically there are two labs in my school, that's computer lab and science lab. The major thing is that I am interested in science lab, because it helps us to learn the things by practically. I mean, it's so interesting. We see the things, how it's growing up. The science is in our hands, and we learn more of the things, because it makes interesting. Why? Because we see the things, it's growing up. It's forming in the front of your eyes and all. That's very interesting also for the student, because when we learn the concept or some theories, it feels boring to the student. The psychologist says that the student learn more practically and physically. So next is our technical, that's computer lab. Yes, you know, in today's time, computers are used mainly in most of the places, like in our schools, homes, definitely in homes, and in schools, hospitals, and businesses also, etc. So in now time, if they are using a lot, most of the things, so we should learn that, right? That's why I feel proud of my school that they has a new modern computer lab for each student, because they provide every student of my school get the chance to sit in the computer lab and get motivated from them. But you know, the labs are incomplete without the teachers, because they are just something who teach us to how to learn, how to do. Thank you everyone, this was my speech. Have a nice time.
Everyone, this is Niyam Setwai from class 7th standard. So today I am present here to tell about my school. So my school name is Sankat Mochan Group of Institution. It is situated at Kariya Basna Kuribar Sultanpur. And my school is divided into two branches, UP board and CBSE board. So in the UP board, the founder of UP board is Mr. Surendra Pratap Singh sir, and the principal of UP board is Mrs. Aruna ma'am. And second is our CBSE board. So in the CBSE board, the manager of CBSE board is Mr. Rahul Maurya sir, and the principal of CBSE board is Mrs. Jyoti Singh ma'am. So my school, so the building of my school is very good, and the one of the most thing that I love in my school and enjoy a lot in my school, that is the labs of my school. So in the my school has too much labs, science lab, computer lab and all, in which I personally love the science and computer lab. So in the computer lab there are too many computers, and in which the most important thing is that in the computer lab I have seen in many of the school that in one seat the 2 or 3 students sit and the teacher doesn't guide them very perfectly. But in my school, the student can got their own seat for sitting and and the teachers also guide us too many things like about the MS Excel, how to create and slides and in the PowerPoint, and our computer teacher is also too much knowledgeable and all. It will the computer thinks it will not love in our means it will not help us in our future only. It will help in our future, not only in the school. And second is our science lab. So our science lab is full of amazing instruments and materials in which the teachers also tell us the extra knowledge and in which we can learn the things like how to test acids and bases and all. So these are not just rooms, they are with equipments. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So hello everyone, this is Misty, the student of 7th standard. So today I'm present here to represent a wonderful topic that is my school. So I'm going to tell you about my school, how I am facing here. So one of the best thing which I like about my school, one of the best thing that I like in my school, that is that here teachers are very wonderful. Like if you ask them any type of questions, if you ask them anything, they are going to tell you that thing 100 times if you are not going to understand it. This is not our school. Our school name is Sankat Mochan Group of Institution. This is not just only a building. It is a temple where the students can learn everything what they want. Here, sports and curricular activities are seen as a wonderful things. In the morning, you are going to do a meditation to calm your mind. We believe in a famous quote that is, a healthy body holds a healthy mind. That our school believes on it, and one of the wonderful things that here sports are wonderful. Like here we are going to participate in competitions. Here we are going to participate in crickets. Like here one of the best thing is this, and speech competitions. Like I am here to speak a speech. Here the teachers will always motivate you for doing everything what you want. According to teachers, success doesn't mean that you are going to judge on big levels. Here the success means that there should be no any full stop in the success. There should be commas in your success. According to our teachers, they teach us this much. And as we all know that Diwali is coming, so here Diwali competition are also going to held in our school. The one of the best thing I like this much. And the transport system I like also that much, that here transport systems are wonderful. Like if you are from 10 kilometers far or how much you are, no matter, but here's transport system are wonderful. You have to give only 600 for transport fee. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So, good afternoon to everyone. I am Anshika Vishkarma from 7th standard, and today I am here to speak about a very important topic, that is labs in our school. As we all know, labs play an important role in our education. Today, in every kinds of school, if everyone is providing just the facilities, so the most important facility is labs. So mainly today I am going to talk about my school labs. Mainly I will talk about the science lab and the computer lab. So firstly, when we step in our science lab, so be greeted with a lots of instruments and lots of things that we need for our experiments. There are many things, like our science lab is equipped with the beakers, test tube, chemicals like acid and bases. Many more things are there for our experiment and learning new things about science and going deeper into it. And similar to as like that, when we go in our computer lab, so there is a huge technology hub and innovations. There are approximately 30 to 40 computers which helps to all the students to take the single computer system so that no one can interrupt by learning their things. So there are many opportunities to learn in the computer lab, as like we learn coding, programming, etc. and many digital things. And the teachers of our school who who take the care of computer lab and just science lab, so they just as we like in the computer lab, there is Mr. Hariom sir and Mr. Sachin sir. They are our school computer teacher. So they always make the complex thing easier to understand. As like in the science, I am literally grateful to my science teacher who always tries to explain us the extra thing. So I am very grateful to my school for providing me these excellent facilities. Thank you so much.
Today I am here to speak about a topic that is practiced by us every day, but do you know, we don't
try to know its meaning, and that one topic is about the importance of uniform in school. As we all know that every day we wear uniform, every morning we wear uniform, and it seems like everyday routine. Do you know we every day wear same shirt, same ties, same shoes? But have you ever think why we wear same type of dress in school? Because it carries a deep meaning with it. Do you know what meaning it carries with it? It carries a meaning of equality. It gives a message that everyone in school is equal, because when we wear equal dress, same dress, then no one can tell who is rich, who is poor, who is rich, who is poor, who belongs to rich family and good background. It also ends the differences of caste, your materialistic status, and it also ends all type of differences. Do you know what our dress conveys a message? It conveys a message about your belonging. Whenever I see my friends wearing same color of dress, it feels like a family with bonding, learning together, dreaming together, and trying to shape their future together. If we all with same, and that's all. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Divyanshu Pandey. I am from Sankat Mochan Academy. So I am presented here to represent some of the qualities of my institutions. So you know that my institution is one of the most famous institute in the Sultanpur district, and it is famous because of its education system. The thing which I like most about my school is its management. You can't see this type of management anywhere. You know that in my school the management staffs interact directly with the students, which is not possible in any other school. In this school, you can directly talk to the manager, the director, the principal, which is impossible in any other schools. Here, if you have any problem, then your problem is solved out very fast. And this instantaneous problem solving helps students in their studies and even parents to keep their students in a good student. Hence, I can say that my school is one of the best school for education as well as students. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Priyanshi Singh from Sankat Mochan Academy CBSE Board. I am student of 9th class, and today I am going to talk about my school, Sankat Mochan Academy. You know, my school is very famous in Sultanpur district. Actually, you already know my school's address, but no worry, I will tell you. My school located Kariya Bajna Kudebar, Sultanpur. I am proud to be a student of Sankat Mochan Academy because our school provides an atmosphere where everyone speaks English, and it is not just limited to higher classes. Even our first and second class students also encouraged to speak in English. And you know, in our school not only focus on academic, but also focus on strong personality. If any student face any problem related to study, our management system takes fast action and try to resolve it. Our school is also famous in Sultanpur district to their excellent transport system, among in top 3 in Sultanpur district. We have amazing facilities like science lab, computer lab, library, smart classes and smart board to higher classes. And our school also provide extra class in morning and afternoon. Our school management launched new rule called SPMS, in which teachers are come in a class and ask questions and after then give marks. It helps us to prepare for our exams and do very well in our board exams. In our school there are many students scored crack IIT and JEE exams, and our school also support us to do well in exams and achieve our goals. That's why I am proud to be a student of Sankat Mochan Academy. That's all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
So hello everyone, it's me Sanskriti Singh, learning in 9th standard from Sankat Mochan Academy. So today I am here to tell you about what is Sankat Mochan study and what you get here. The main thing, we are studying here. I am a student of Sankat Mochan Academy. I am learning with smart technology based services facilities. The smart board conversion,
the advancement of technology and the technology based study from the smart board we get is the engaging and dynamic presentations, and the presentation teach us with graphics that we can learn what is visual things. Visual things can be learned by us, and we can learn about the environment, what is doing in World Wide Web. The faculty member of our school are very experienced and taught us very experiencly that they can taught us the high level sector education. This education they are giving us that are not only about the classes only, they give about high level education that can we learn, and after learning it we can defect us from with the advancement of practical knowledge. And if I talk about the smart board technology based learning, so we learn all the things, the graphics from for example the mathematics have lot of graphics in shape and graphical presentation. The teachers on smart board give us the graphical shapes that we learn and know about all the things that can be done. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, here is Avani Tiwari from class 8th standard. Today I am present here to represent a speech on my school. So firstly I want to tell you a story of my coming this school. It is about the class seconds, in that I read the class seconds, and after that I went in the class third. I studied 26 days, but after that the breaking news came suddenly. India's lockdown because of that COVID-19. After that we wasted of 1 year. In that many things came in trendings, and we were learning in online class. But after that we don't study properly in 1 year. But after that lockdowns in the end we went to schools. But my admission was not done. So, we are finding a good schools for my admissions, because in the schools I was reading that was not good. My father and told that the Sankarmohan group of institution is the best school in this city. Then we went there, and my admission happens. After that I was in the class 4th. I went there, and in this time I was not able to study properly, and there was many problems. But somehow I cleared the class 4th and I came in the class 5th. In that I made many friends like the Lucky Shukla and other. They helped me a lot to covering the syllabus, and I learned many things. After that CBSE board made in the Sankarmohan group of institutions. We came here. The first period was teaching by the Shiv Kumar sir. He was a great teacher, and he was teaching math. We learned there, and somehow they were teaching in English. I cannot understand properly, but in 1 year I learned English and I learned everything, because in that times there was one subject spoken by the Diksha ma'am. He is speaking English and we learn. After that we came in class 7th and we learn all the things. But in this story we can see that I was not learning anything, but after the coming the Sankarmohan I learned everything. With the help of here the teachers and this school, we can learn everything. Thank you.
I am Akash Charif from class 8th standard. So today I am here tell about my school teacher and management system. Thanks for management system to providing the good teachers like Usman sir and another teacher. And so I will explain the many teachers of my class. Like Ankit sir. Ankit sir is my class teacher, and he taught the English and English grammar, and they taught very well in that subject, and they are very good. And the second period of my class is Anshuvi sir, and Anshuvi sir is taught math. And math is a subject that we can't say anything, because in a math there are too much formulas and the things that are explained very well. And the third subject is a very best teacher of the campus, both campus. Like there are UP campus and CBSE campus. Although we are in CBSE campus, because Usman sir are teacher of class 12th and 11th. Thanks for management system to giving us sir like Usman sir, because they are taught very well science and chemistry, physics and bio. That's three that starts. And the fourth period is the computer sir, that's Hariom sir. Hariom sir is a teacher of computer, and they very well taught the computer, and they have a knowledge of everything in a computer or a phone, about the phones, computer and everything, because they are a computer science knowledge very well. And the fifth period is Sunil sir, and Sunil sir is a teacher of Hindi grammar and Sanskrit, and they are very well taught the subject. They are a teacher of class 8th to 1st, and they taught very well, and they explain everything in a very good way. In the sixth period is of Akash sir and IT sir. That's Sarvan sir. Sarvan sir taught us IIT of a neat level, a high level education. Like they taught us a percentage of question and like Olympiad and many questions like high levels. Thanks for management system to giving us IIT teachers and many things. And spoken sir is Akash sir, and they tell us how to speak English, how to write English, and everything about the English. They tell us. And the seventh period is Ritik sir. Ritik sir is a teacher of SST, and they tell history, civics, and very well. And the teacher of last period theory is given by the my management system is last 8th period, and there is a Harsh sir. They taught the science and every subject. Thanks.
Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Anand, and I am here to represent a speech on my school. Do you know, in my school I know one thing most, that is the teacher. I am standing here, I am speaking, I am whatever I am doing, that is for this. I understand the discipline, and all of these things I am knowing by the teachers. Like we are going to the any life, like a science lab or computer, we are going for the practical, and there is no any kind of teacher, then we cannot understand. If there will be teacher, we can understand it better. Either we are knowing that thing, but without teacher we can not understand it. And you know that the teachers are our God. That so we should respect the God, and like that also we should respect our teacher. And teacher in our life, the role that is played by the teacher is very too much important. If you are going for studying anything, you are studying, there is a lot of use of that help of. Without help of teacher, we cannot know anything. Single word, like we know the we can take the example of ABCD. Before, when we was child, then we don't know, but our teacher told us. So that's all. Thank you. This was my speech.
Good morning to all of you. This is Midhu Sir from 7th standard. So today I am going to tell you SPMS of my school management. Do you know that school management SPMS is very good, and the teachers that are giving to the questions, there are 25 questions that is given by all the teachers, and they give to all the questions for doing in homework, and they listen in the other days for everyone's, and we know that upcoming exam is SPM is most important. On that time that your preparation will be done, and 25 question is not enough for that. Means that 25 question we are preparing, that is good for SPMS exam, and that the teachers, managers, sirs and sirs that they come for our SPMS, they did good and very well, and they understand. They are told to me or other student to he understand to us. He say he solves all the problems of our, and he tries to do all the student good, and every student are in my campus are doing very good. And in the exams, that exam held in the past, what that the teachers was giving the question that was coming in the exam, that was right to our in this we are knowing is that SPMS is most important for everyone. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Ashwini, and today I am going to represent a speech in front of you on my school teachers. So firstly I am going to tell you my school name. My school name is Sankat Mochan Group of Institution, and it is the best school in the area of Pedhi and the Karya Bajna. And why I am saying that it is the best school, because my school provides the best and the high level of knowledge, and it also have the two branches, CBSE and UP board. and that is only possible by the teachers because they are teaching the student. And do you know when the parents come to for their student for their children's admission, they only see the students of the school, how they are speaking, how they are learning, and how they are doing their work, and that is only possible by the teachers. And I think that the school is our temple and the teachers are our God. And now I am going to tell some teachers' name of my school who teaches me. So on the first I will choose only and only the Akash sir. He is my best teacher in my life, and because the speaking skills, the discipline skills, many things that is possible only by the Akash sir. When he joined the school, on that time he firstly maintains the discipline of the school, and after that he teaches us to how to speak English and how to be in confidence. He help us to improve our skill. On the second I will choose my class teacher, who is Mrs. Sunita ma'am. She is my science teacher, and she help why I am choosing it because she help us in the studies on the other method, other things they help us. On the third I will choose my mathematics teacher, who is Ankit Yadav sir. He is because I am choosing him because he is only teacher who try to find the best easier method to solve teach the student and to solve the question. So it's time to end my speech, and I will thank you to everyone who are listening me. That's all. Thank you.
So hello everyone, again this front of you all Siddhi Singh. So today I'm going to tell you about my school's labs. So mainly I'm going to talk about two labs, science lab and computer lab. So first of all I want to talk you about computers lab. In that there is a new types of computers. There is maximum 40 to 50 computers. In that we can learn C++, Java, Python, this type of things we can learn in that also. And there is in my school there is many teachers who teach us English. There is Hayum sir and many teachers are there who teach us computers. Let us talk about something science lab hour. In that when I go in science lab, I feel very good. Like in that there is a very amazing things also, very much good things for experiments, everything we done very well there. And after that there is a many means very teachers like Usman sir, Sunita ma'am, and chemistry teachers are very much teachers. When I go in science lab, I see very much experiments, this type of things. And in the computers lab we are learning very much things, very much programs, each and everything. So thank you everyone. This was Siddhi Singh.
So hello everyone, this is me Avni from 6th standard, and today I am here to explain the facilities of my school. So first start with transportation system. The transportation system is very good. There are 24 buses which take 2 rounds. And next I am going to talk about my teachers. There are many teachers in my school, but I cannot say something. I cannot explain about all the teachers, but I will start with who teaches in my class. So first start with my class teacher. So my class teacher name is Mrs. Archana ma'am. She always support us, and she is very fantastic teacher. And second, it's Ankit sir. He teaches us math. And everyone say that he is very dangerous. He always beat everyone, but he is from my opinion, he is too good and he is too perfect. And next it's Akash sir, my spoken teacher. Look, I am speaking English of all the credit go to him. And next it's Sunil sir. Sunil sir teaches us Hindi, and he teaches us many good manner and many sloks and etc. Next is Ankit Mishra sir. He is very good teacher. He teaches us English, and he say one line that what you want to do, just do, but no compromise with study. I like the most, and that's all. Thank you.
Everyone, this is me Aradhya going to introduce the teachers. There are many teachers in this school. I cannot tell about everyone, but I can tell about those teachers who teach me. Starting off my speech, I want to start with my class teacher. My class teacher name is Mrs. Archana ma'am. She teaches SST. She is very respected personality. I like one most thing that in her, she always support us, and where we are wrong, she said that you are wrong, and she tell you should do like this. And second is Ankit sir. He is our math teacher. Many students says he is very strict, but I say he is very perfect teacher. Many students say that also. Many students have fear. Some time ago, I was also the part of that. Third is Akash sir. What I am speaking today, the reason behind that is Akash sir. I also do hard work for achieving this, but credit goes to Akash sir. Fourth is Sunil sir. He is multi-talented teacher. Which student, I have seen many teachers in this school, but not like him. Which student is studying from him, they absolutely know him very well. Fifth is Ankit Mishra sir. He is very good teacher of English. His 2 lines I like most. When he came in my class, he said that you no compromise with the study. So I like this words too much. Sixth is Sunita ma'am. She is my favorite teacher. I don't have words to explain her. She is a teacher of science, but she said many things. Seventh is Sachin sir. He is the funniest teacher. Thank you everyone. This was all about my speech.